Suncoast Towers and Entertainment World, situated in the heart of Durban, South Africa, is where the golden shores meet urban sophistication. Nestled along the stunning coastline, this iconic destination isn't just a marvel of luxury and leisure. It's a testament to Durban's vibrant spirit. Adjacent to the casino, the Suncoast Towers rise, a beacon of modern luxury. This premier hotel, with its distinctive Art Deco style, pays homage to Durban's historical charm while providing guests with world-class amenities. At the centerpiece is the Suncoast Casino, a bustling hive of excitement, offering a dazzling array of gaming options, with over 1,850 slots and 71 table games, promising an unparalleled entertainment experience. Adding to the complex's allure is the remarkable dome that serves as a versatile space, hosting a variety of events and performances, further establishing Suncoast as a premier entertainment hub. But there's more than just games and glamour. The complex is a culinary delight, offering an array of dining options that cater to every taste, alongside live entertainment that lights up the night, making it a pivotal social hub in Durban. So, whether you're drawn by the thrill of the casino, the luxury of the hotel, the events at the Dome, or the charm of Durban's premier entertainment destination, Suncoast Towers and Entertainment World awaits to offer you an unforgettable experience. Discover, indulge, and be enchanted, right here, where the heart of Durban beats the loudest.